Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends, myself Neha Sopre from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. Today I am explaining you new project web developer. In our team, total 4 students, and this project guided by Professor V. Raidu. So we have created a simple website. So the first is, what is the meaning of website? A group of World Wide Web page containing hyperlinks to each other and online by made available online by an company, education institute, government organizations and its. What is the URL? Uniform Resource Location. Location of a web page or file on internet. On the internet, these addresses are called URL. The next is, what is a protocol? Protocol like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, www. Dot. And the top level domain is .com, .org, .government. This is my website http // kings private dot website 2 dot me. You can go through this URL and you can find this website. You can click the work and you can see the many templates of mathematical formulas and the many easy formulas to solve the mathematical numericals problems. Any inquiry you can contact this number and this email. Thank you.